Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to make Bengali style mutton curry with potato or পাঠার মাংসের ঝোল আলু দিয়ে. I am going to show you a very simple and easy recipe. Hope you will like it. Here I have taken about 1 kg mutton. I have already cleaned and washed them. Now I am going to marinate the mutton with half cup yogurt, dahi, half tablespoon turmeric powder, haldi, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, about 2 tablespoon ginger, garlic and green chili paste. I added 4 green chilies only. Coat them very well. Rest them for an hour or you can keep in the fridge overnight. Here I have taken 3 medium sized potatoes. I have washed and each potato I cut into 2 pieces. Now I will marinate the potatoes with some salt and turmeric powder. Without potato we can't make Bengali style mutton curry. For 1 kg mutton I have taken 1 medium and 1 small size onion and I cut them into thinly long slices. And 1 medium sized tomato puree. Okay, it's been resting for an hour. Now we can start cooking. I am using my instant pot today. Press the saute to heat up the base. I am adding about 4 tablespoon mustard oil. As you can see, already the oil is hot. I am going to fry the potatoes first, but do not fry too long. Now remove them. In the same oil, I am adding 2 bay leaves, little bit cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 green cardamom and some cloves. One teaspoon sugar. Sugar helps to change the onion's color. Here I am adding 2 onion slices, 1 medium and 1 small size. Fry the onion till it becomes light golden. As you can see, the onions are half fried. At this point, I am adding half tablespoon turmeric powder. Turmeric and sugar helps change the color of fried onions. Make sure you don't fry the onion too long. It should be light golden. It's time to add the marinated mutton. I am adding tomato puree now because I want to make a red gravy. See, if you add tomato puree when you are frying the onion, the gravy may become dark. You have to saute the mutton at least 10 to 12 minutes. Cover it and keep stirring every few minutes. It's been 10 minutes. I am adding salt according to taste, and Bengali garam masala. I will add the Bengali garam masala's link in this video. This is hot water. I am adding little more water because I don't want to make a dry gravy. I am adding fried potatoes. Mix them well. Now I am going to pressure cook. So cancel the saute and cover it. Make sure it is in sealing position. Press the manual. Adjust the time. We need 20 minutes only. Only 2 minutes left now. I am going to release the steam after 10 to 12 more minutes. It's already 11 minutes. Press the cancel and release the steam. Remove all the potatoes now from the gravy because I want to reduce the gravy little bit. See, the mutton is now very well cooked. I will cover it and reduce the gravy. I am going to press the saute again. Now the gravy has reduced. Time to add the potatoes back. Mix them gently. Mangsher jhol is ready to serve. Enjoy the delicious mangsher jhol or mutton curry with steamed rice. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.